Welcome to this 4-bedroom, 2-bath home. It already loves you. How do I know? Because homes have open doors for their new owners. And unlike your last relationship, this home won't ghost you. This space is perfect for cozy evenings, movie nights, or just making great memories. Oh, by the way, did you hear about the home that went to therapy? Yeah, it had too many walls up. But don't worry, this one is emotionally available. This kitchen is great for cooking or baking, or standing in front of the refrigerator hoping a snack appears. By the way, did you hear why the kitchen and dining room broke up? Well, it's because they weren't on the same table. But don't worry, this home is totally committed. This home, offering 4 bedrooms, has enough space for family, guests, and that one friend who needs to crash for the night and never seems to leave. Fun fact, did you hear about the bedroom that went to therapy? It had underlying issues. But no worries, these bedrooms have nothing but sweet dreams. Why can't you trust stairs? It's because they're always up to something. The basement, offering 3 bedrooms, but if you don't need 3 bedrooms, use one as a game room or one as a home office. Or your secret getaway for when you tell guests they can stay as long as they want and you're really hoping they don't. Also, did you hear why the basement got promoted? It had a solid foundation. Step outside on your private retreat at the end of the road. Did you hear why the tree fell in love with the home? Well, it's because it felt rooted. But once you see this property, you're gonna feel the same way. Are you ready to make this house your home? If so, let's make it happen before someone else does. Just like a great joke, the best homes are all about the perfect timing. And I know a good joke. I'm Amanda Downs with LPT Realty.